I was born in the town of Veta, which is in the Ketu North district of the Volta region. Incidentally, the same town where the late Prof Kofi ANYIDOHO was also born. Members of my own family, going back to my grandfather, being known for their work as traditional poets. My mother as a traditional singer in the oral tradition. So I grew up on this rich tradition. Poetry is not something that is frozen on the pages of the printed book. You have to lift it from the page, give it a voice. My good colleague from Nigeria, Niyo Sundari, wonderful poet, puts it best, that in the Yoruba tradition, poetry or meaning is sounding, and sounding is meaning. Yes, I know I've done some work and made some contribution, and when earlier winners of this award included people like, Wole Soyinka and the late Kofi ANYIDOHO, it comes as a special delight that I would be called on to join that distinguished group. It's a rare honor for which, of course, I'm very grateful. I'm aware that there are many others who are equally, even if not even more deserving. But what is it for anyway? Draw more attention not just to my work, but to the world of literature.